welcome to another edition of my Unity Quick Tips. Today we're going to cover saving and loading GameObject selection with keyboard shortcuts. In this example, I'm using keyboard shortcut to change my selection between these three spaceships. Here's how that's done. First, we'll make our selections, then go to Edit, Selection, and Save Selection 1. I'll do the same thing for my next two selections, but I'll use keyboard shortcut to save them. I use Command Shift and the selection number to load my selection. This makes it so much faster to make changes to all the particle effects on these spaceships. I can switch between each set with keyboard shortcuts instead of selecting multiple game objects with the mouse and keyboard. I don't like that magenta color, so I use the keyboard shortcut to select it and change the color. I view them all again, and the effects on the second ship are too similar to the first, so I use the keyboard shortcut to select the particle effects and change the colors on them. You can save up to 10 selections and use the numbers 1 to 9 plus 0 to save or load selections. That's it for saving and loading GameObject selections with keyboard shortcuts. I'm Mark Sweeney. Thanks for watching.